everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with the Zubel and we are going to be gardening. We've both been in quarantine, even her, so I thought it'd be a cute idea to bring her out since she hasn't really gone out to do my gardening routine. I do this about every week where I tend to my plants and I make sure they're healthy. Obviously I water them every 2 to 3 days, but I do this sort of deeper gardening thing, like routine. Before we continue with this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe because that means a lot to me. Miss Zubel will be here chilling. He's a really chill dog, so she probably won't do much. But it's the thought that counts, okay? She's out here with us, and it'll be a chill time. This bigger pot is for the new tomato plant that I will be potting today, and I have 2 of these and that one for these zucchini babies. Matter of fact, you want to go smell this one? Come on. Nice smell. I have these 2 zucchini plants that I do need to pot. And Zubo's still chilling with us today. Anyway, I was saying that I massage the roots for every plant that I pot just so the transition from the trainer pot to the real pot doesn't shock the plant and that they don't die. I was able to plant 1 zucchini plant because it came out a little bit easier than this other zucchini plant. So my mistake here was that I watered them yesterday, and so the soil is still moist and all over the place. I should have just waited to water them so that they would come out in one piece and solid. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I don't have a name for this new tomato plant. She is a bush Goliath. That is a type of tomato plant that she is. So if you have a name suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. I will literally consider anything just to get some engagement on this channel. And all that's left to do is trim Tommy. Yeah guys, so the tomato plant next to the new one, her name is Tommy, and I haven't trimmed her in a while. As you can see, she has spots that aren't useful to her anymore. They're kind of just dangling and stuff. Let's just take a Tommy appreciation moment. I have so many pictures and videos of her. I'll put them up on the screen of her progression. She loves the sun, so tomato plants love direct sunlight. At least 6 hours is what I've been told. So during tomato season, you should be watering your tomato plant every 2 to 3 days. Honestly, with a tomato plant as big as this one and as tall, I water her every day and a half, if not every day. When they are maturing and ready to yield fruits, they will sprout these cute little flowers that will look like this, which will eventually, if pollinated, become these little tomato babies that we see over here. Nature has its way of forming the most beautiful creations by itself without any help, just constant care and love. Tomato plants also enjoy support, so as you can see, these cages, I got them from Lowe's. They are the 52-inch. This helps them stand upright even though they have compounds in their system which help them, like starch, and provide that structure and framework even to stand upright and continue to grow upwards.